How to claim tax relief on your lunar losses. There are certain expenses that can be claimed when computing a loss, such as the fiat amount originally paid for the cryptocurrency, any transaction fees paid before the transaction has been added to the blockchain, advertising spent for a purchaser or vendor, professional fees for preparing a contract for the acquisition or disposal of the cryptocurrency. You are able to make a negligible value claim if the following applies. You owned the cryptocurrency at the time the claim is made. You must state the value of the cryptocurrency at the time of the claim. You are able to backdate a negligible value claim if the following applies. You owned the cryptocurrency at an earlier time. The earlier time being not more than 2 years before the beginning of the tax year in which the claim has been made. Be sure to subscribe for the latest tax updates.